Alright, transformation 6, page 8. Number 8 says how many planes are shown in the figure? How many planes are shown in the figure? So we have to go ahead and look at this figure. So, how many planes are shown in the figure? Well, we have one on bottom, one on the side, the other on the side, so that's 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 planes. Name 3 points that are collinear. Collinear makes a line, 3 points, A, H, B make a line, or B, J, F. Are points A, H, J, and D coplanar? A, H, J, D. And the answer has to be no, because D is not on the same plane as A, H, J. Are planes points B, D, and F coplanar? B, D, F, and that would be yes, they would be on the same plane. So that was page 8. Now we are on page 12, number 16. Oh, 62, not 16. Okay. It says, which statement about the figure below is not true? So we already know it's D because I'm showing you the book. Point H lies in a plane AGE. That's correct. Planes GAB, GAB, GFD, GFD, and BED, BED intersect at point E. Well, that's correct as well. Points FEB are coplanar. FEB are coplanar. FEB. Which is weird because there's no way F, E, and B are on the same plane. So I guess there are 2 statements that are false because C is not true either. I think that's a mistake in the book. FEB is not coplanar either. That's impossible. So our answer would be C and D. Page 21, number 44. An ice chest contains 3 types of drinks: 10 apple juices, 15 grape juices, and 15 bottles of water. What's the probability? So page, oh my gosh, page 21. I was wondering why I gave you that, and I did not. Number 44. If f of x, this is back to our functions. What's f of 2? So I got to take my f of 2 and I need to plug it into my function. So this is back to algebra 1, which I like this question that I gave you this. So I need to find f of 2 in x 7 2 squared minus 4 2. So function, we plug in the value. So this is the name. So I'm trying to find function of 2. So I know that this is going to be something equals. So 2 squared would be 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 2 is 8. So my answer has to be 20, which is K. Page 21, number 45. Number 45, algebra. I need to go ahead and simplify this. So we have 3x squared minus 2 2x plus 4 minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 7. I love this question that I gave you as well. So we need to go ahead and take turns factoring. So I've taught you that. So 3 times 2 is 6x to the third plus 12x squared minus 4x minus 8. Bring everything else down. Minus 2x squared plus 6x plus 7. So I know that my x squareds can combine. So bring down the 6x to the third. This would be 10x squared. This would be 2x. And this would be negative 1. So 6x to the third plus 10x squared plus 2x minus 1 is D. Page 3574. Beth paid $74.88 for 3 pairs of jeans. All pairs of jeans were the same, so I just got to take this and I need to divide this by 3 to find out how much each pair of jeans were. 74.88 divided by 3 gives me $24.96. So each pair of jeans was $24.96, which is F. Page 35, number 79. It says draw and label a figure for each relationship. FG lies in plane M. So here's a plane. So plane F or M. So M needs to be a capital italicized. FG lies and contains point H. So FG lies in this plane. There's FG, lies in plane M, and contains point H. So I'm going to put point H on the line as well as M so that it hits both. That is my answer. Number 80, lines R, S intersect at W. So here's line italicized R. Here's line italicized S. And they intersect at point W. Page 4239. Okay, here's my figure, number 39. ABF, ABF, so both of these is 7b minus 24. ABE is 2b, find EBF. I know that these are the same angle because that's what this little line matching tells me, so I know that I actually have two 2b's. And those two 2b's, so I know that 2b plus 2b has to equal the whole angle, and the whole angle was 7b minus 24. So that would be 4b equals 7b minus 24. Get rid of my 7b. Negative 3b equals negative 24, so b has to equal 8. If b equals 8 and my angle was 2b, then my angle has to be 16. So my angle is 16 degrees. Last problem, number 40. So let's check. We're using the same figure. Number 40. EBC is 31A minus 2. Okay. EBC, angle EBH is 4A plus 45. Find HBC. So EBH plus HBC has to equal the entire thing. So EBC, so EBC, EBH, find HBC. This one's a little bit more difficult. Oh, BH. Oh, good. They had to tell us this. I forgot about up here. BH bisects. So that means EBH and HBC, these are both the same angle as well. So we actually have two of these. That's where I was trying to get confused. So I have two sets of 4A plus 45, and I know that this has to equal 31A minus 2. It has to. So this would be 8A plus 90 equals 31A minus 2. So subtract 8A, subtract 8A, that leaves me with 22. Add the 2 to both sides, that gives me 92. Divide by 22. So 92 divided by 22 gives me 4.18 and 4.18, and now I need to plug that back into this equation. So 4 times 4.18 plus 45 gives me about 61 degrees. Oops, 23. I don't know why I did that. So 92 divided by 23. 92 divided by 23 gives me 4, not 4.8. So 4, which is 61 degrees. Now we're done.